everyone! It's Cat Lady Scrubs with Parker's Clothing and Scrubs. Today we're seeing if the IRG EPIC line is actually as legendary as everyone says. It's made from recycled polyester and has this insane 360-degree stretch. Plus, it's basically cat hair resistant. My black cat approved this message. Check out this movement. No digging, no sagging, just pure comfort for a 12-hour shift. The yoga waistband is a literal lifesaver. Final verdict? The IRG EPIC collection gets a full 5 meows from me. It's sustainable, stretchy, and perfectly stylish. Want to snag these? Hit the link in my bio to shop Parker's Clothing and Scrubs. Stay positive, everyone!